another video. Yay! Yeah, if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe and comment on my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi mommy, hi Lovey, thank you so much for coming back and doing another video. So yeah, please do not forget to hit the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, oh, here's the schedule. I upload on Sunday, I upload on Wednesday, and I upload on Friday. So I actually upload 3 times a week. Yeah, 3 times a week. And so far I have been consistent ever since I came back. Happy your girl has been missing. So yeah, I have been consistent ever since I came back. So today what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna be doing a brow tutorial again. Don't ask me why, but again, for some reason there's a whole lot of people who have been asking me like how do you do your eyebrows and everything, and the more I try to explain to them without showing them, it seems pointless because every time they still come back and say that they like ask the same thing over and over again. So guys, I'm doing this for y'all. I hope that this will be as detailed as possible, and yeah, you'll be able to follow it throughout and practice until you become a pro in doing your own brows. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, these are the things that I'm going to be using. I will use this spoolie, and then I will use a brush. It's not an angle brush, but it's precise for me to be able to clean up my brows. I'm going to be using this gel liner definer from Signature. I'm again going to be using my Ushas concealer palette, which is almost depleted. I'm going to use Signature setting powder to set my eyebrows to make them matte and easy to work with. And I'm going to use the small angled brush, yeah, with the eyeliner. And again, I'm going to use my Havillah foundation to clean up the top part of my brows. Remember, the concealer is to clean up the lower part. Then I'm going to use this for the upper part. Yeah. And then I'm going to use this brush to set my eyebrows. Yeah. And then I will then use it again for the cleaning up actually. Yeah, the cleaning up. And that is about it. I will write everything at the description box below, and even at the side, somewhere here. I will put the list here of everything that I'm going to be using. So yeah, let's begin. So we're going to get up close and personal. I hope you do not mind. We're going to get up close and personal. Really personal. Really personal. So guys, we're going to start off by setting our eyebrows. We're doing this because we want to mattify the eyebrow area and make it easy for us to work with. Yeah. And here we're going to use the spoolie to brush up the brow hair. And as soon as we're done with that, we're gonna use that gel liner to draw a line underneath. You should follow your brow line, your natural brow line, and you must be very, very careful and diligent here so that you get a great line. Even if you do mess up, thank God there is a concealer to clean that up. Then from here, I'm gonna draw another line above the brow. I'm still following the natural brow. As you can see, some of us, our brows are just faded and there's nothing there. Then I'll shade in the brow. Shade. Then at the beginning of the brow, we're just gonna make it, give it strokes, light strokes. Unfortunately, I started with big strokes, but then I'm gonna continue giving it strokes and shading it. The aim here is just to make it as natural as possible. Yeah. I chose dark brown. Why? Because I felt it's easy to work with and it complements my skin. Like I don't advise people to use a black brow pencil or liner. From here, I'm going to use the concealer to clean up the brow below. Clean. Oh, here I mixed the Ushas concealer and the Pro concealer in beige. Concealer is just to clean up every mistake that you have made. Hence I said if you do make mistake, you shouldn't panic, because you'll just use the concealer to correct them and clean that mistake up. And we're done with that. Now we're going to move to the upper brow, or the upper part of the brow, where we're going to use the Havillah foundation. So here you should use a foundation that suits your skin color or your skin shade, to clean up the upper part of the brow. And then I forgot to say that the concealer that you should use below to clean up the brow should be 2 shades lighter. Yeah. I'm just trying to even up that space right there with foundation. And we're going to use that brush to blend out the foundation and the concealer underneath. And then when we are done with the blending, we're going to move straight to setting the concealer underneath. the brow on the eyelid and underneath the brow. We'll be doing this so that it doesn't cause crease on the eyelid and doesn't turn oily during the day or the night. And we are done with that, so I'm just gonna move along to finish the other brow off camera. And yeah, here's the finished brows. We're gonna zoom in that you'll see. So guys, we are done with eyebrows. As you can see, this is what we achieved. I really hope that you are able to follow everything that I did so that you can also have the gorgeous eyebrows. So yeah guys, thank you so much for viewing. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting. Yeah, I hope I was great help. I'm still hoping that this tutorial will help you out. So yeah, remember, I'll be uploading videos on Sunday, on Wednesday, and on Fridays, 3 times a week. And your girl is consistent. So yeah, my girl is consistent, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Come back again and view more coming beautiful content. So I love you guys.